It's a nice rainy day here at the Malaysian launch of the ORA 07, and this is certainly a quirky looking EV. Dia nampak comel, but at the same time nampak macam agak sporty juga untuk I lah. So anyway, one thing is for sure, this is definitely an eye-catching EV. So how much does the ORA 07 cost? This particular model is the base long-range Ultra variant, which costs 169,800 ringgit. There is also a faster performance model for 189,800 ringgit. Let's talk about the long-range Ultra model first. As its name suggests, the long-range Ultra model has the longest range, which is 640 km on a single charge, but this is measured using the more lenient NEDC cycle. It also has a single motor driving the front wheels that does 204 PS and 340 Nm of torque. Kalau you nak lebih performance, then considerlah the performance trim of the ORA 07. That one has a dual motor setup which produces 408 PS and 680 Nm of torque. But all of that power does come at a cost. The range is only rated at 550 km on the NEDC cycle out of the same 83.5 kWh battery that is found in the long-range model. Last but not least is the charging speed of the ORA 07. It can do 88 kW DC fast charging, which allows it to be charged from 30 to 80% battery in 32 minutes. As for AC charging, it can do 11 kW, allowing it to be charged from 0 to 100% in 15 hours. Jadi itulah ORA 07 untuk market Malaysia ini. Kalau you nak beli EV ni, cepatlah sebab the first 500 customers will get a number of freebies, including a complimentary wallbox charger and even a 3,000 ringgit loyalty offer. That's the ORA 07. As always, if you like this video, leave us a like, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here on this channel and nextrif.com.